Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon Bart. Hey, thanks for checking out my video, and this is John-Marc. Are you excited? We're going to be drawing Bart Simpson. Alright, so as you can see, the first thing I'm going to be doing is creating a basic shape. I have a structure of a square like for his head and two round areas for his eyes and building his body. I have a straight action line from the top of his head to where his feet will go. This helps me to know exactly where the character is going to be falling into place. Sometimes you might get like head heights, and he's almost like tune the head heights to build up so you have an accurate character when you're doing this. Been working on character development for all my life, so this is fun stuff. And as you can see, the sketching is no different than all the other ones I've been working on. I'm very fast. I'm not worried about the accuracy right now because I can always come back and change. I go light and I come back with a little darker line to indicate where I think it needs to go. So work on his leg there. Let's get his other leg down there too. There we go. And let's work on his feet. You have one in the front and back. Simple. Really, really easy character to draw. Not that hard. Alright. There we go. Yeah, I think I'll probably get the rest of his family another time. And his funny eyes are never always like centered, off-centered at times. Okay, and his funky hair, that spiked hair. Easy character to do. As you can see, we're just about done with this one. And always, always remember to save your artwork. It's a good thing. Don't throw it away. And like I always say, when we're done, we're going to need to sign it. But let's darken up his eyes a little bit around there first. I can see, yeah. Okay, his nose, get his little lip. Work on his mouth. He has that funny smirk way back in his neck. Alright, there we go. His little lip there. Working on his shirt. As you notice, it's much darker that I'm working on now than when I started again. And finishing up the shoulder there. Yeah, give that three-dimensional around the sleeve so it looks like his arms underneath. It's not just a straight line. You have those areas that gives dimension to your art so it doesn't look too flat like that. Same thing with his belly. That's in front of that back leg now, and then I put that line on top that gives that leg so you can see that three-dimensional. This is like a 3/4 view. Okay, get the other shot down there with the legs a little darker. And if I like it really much, I would actually take it into Illustrator and ink it and then color it in Photoshop. And that's the color version you saw in the very beginning, as well as when this section is over, you'll see it again. Okay, just shading that in there because that's like that blue sneaker that he has. Okay, yeah, I think we're pretty much done with it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this one, and make sure you subscribe and take a look at the other videos too. Thanks again. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.